Let's talk about the latest launched OPPO smartphone Reno 12 Pro in China with 4 curved soft edge straight screen design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED quad curved display, with 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, approximately 89.5%. Screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 1200 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus color quality support, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 24mm Sony LYT 890 wide-angle main camera with support OIS optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel 47mm 2x telephoto camera, and with 8 megapixel 16mm ultra-wide-angle camera. For selfies it has 50 megapixel wide-angle front camera located in centered punch hole, video recording maximum 4K at 30/60 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ColorOS 14.1 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.35 GHz single-core Cortex-X3 plus 3 GHz tri-core Cortex-A715 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A510, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9200 plus chipset, paired with a Mortalis G715 MC11 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB. 512 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.4 by 74.8 by 7.55, or 7.60 millimeters, and it weighs around 183, or 184 grams, and the color options ebony black, silver, magic purple, champagne gold colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 80-watt super flash fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual point Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, IP65 dust and water resistant, infrared remote control support, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OPPO Reno 12 Pro has been priced in China for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 3,399 Chinese yuan, while the 16 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 3,699 Chinese yuan, while the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 3,999 Chinese yuan. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this OPPO Reno 12 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.